Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace head gasket on 2009 Nissan Altima, updated. Begin by gathering tools, replacement gasket, new head bolts, a torque wrench, and coolant. Drain coolant and oil, then remove intake components, valve cover, timing chain or belt cover, and accessories blocking the cylinder head. Keep parts organized and label hoses and bolts. Inspect the head and block for warping, then prepare to machine or replace as needed. With the engine accessible, remove the intake manifold, valve cover, and timing components following alignment marks. Keep fasteners grouped and note positions for reassembly. Label wiring connectors and vacuum lines to prevent mix-ups. Gradually loosen head bolts in the correct pattern to avoid cracking the head. Once removed, lift the head straight up with help to avoid damaging mating surfaces and set it on a clean bench for inspection and cleaning. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: grab an Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long wrenching sessions. It fits cup holders and seals well so you won't spill coolant or oil on your tools. Check the description for the link and other deals to make your shop time more comfortable. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect the head and block carefully for cracks, warpage, and corrosion using a straight edge and feeler gauges. If warpage exceeds spec, take the head to a machine shop for resurfacing or replacement. Replace all head bolts with new torque-to-yield bolts and clean the block surface thoroughly. Install a new head gasket aligning dowels, then torque the head bolts in the specified sequence and stages using your torque wrench for accurate clamping pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.